Measuring tools. What is a ruler? This is a ruler. It is a measuring tool. Rulers are flat and straight. They have numbers and lines. People use rulers to measure length. Length is how long something is. Let's measure this caterpillar together. Put your ruler next to the caterpillar. Start at 0. Put the caterpillar's head right at 0. Look at the tail end. Find where the caterpillar's tail stops. What number does it touch? Read the number. If the tail is at 8, the caterpillar is 8 centimeters. Now you know. This is a small caterpillar. Measuring with a tape measure. This is a tape measure. It is very long and can bend. Most tape measures are 2 to 5 meters long. We use a tape measure for big things. We can measure door or tables. We can measure furniture like tables and sofas. You can even measure your height. How to measure your height? Stand straight with your back against the wall. Ask your mum or dad to help measure you. They will make a small mark on the wall at the top of your head. Then use the tape measure from the floor to the mark. Do you know how tall you are? Let's measure a giraffe. This giraffe is very tall. How to measure a giraffe? Stand next to the giraffe, but not too close. Use a very long tape measure. Giraffes are taller than doors. Start at the ground, 0 centimeters. Measure up to its head. 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meters. Wow! The giraffe is 5 meters tall. That's 500 centimeters. It's taller than 2 doors. Let's compare sizes. A cat is small. It is about 30 centimeters tall. A tiger is very big. It is 1 meter tall. The tiger is 3 times taller than the cat. Now let's compare a dog and an elephant. A dog is 60 centimeters tall. An elephant is 3 meters tall. You need 5 dogs to reach an elephant's height. This is a measuring cup. We use it in the kitchen for cooking. It is for liquids like water, milk, juice, oil. We use it to see how much liquid we have. We use it to measure milliliters. A glass of juice has 200 milliliters. A big box of milk has 1,000 milliliters. That is 1 liter. The cup has lines and numbers on it. These show the amount of liquid. How to use it? Pour the liquid into the cup. Be careful. Keep the cup at eye level. This helps you see the number. Now you are ready to use it for cooking. This is an outdoor thermometer. We use it to check the temperature outside. It tells us if the weather is hot or cold. We can see the temperature in the morning before we go out. It helps us choose the right clothes. We use many tools to measure things around us. A ruler helps measure small things. A tape measure checks big things. A measuring cup is perfect for liquids. A thermometer tells us if it's hot or cold outside. These tools help us every day. Now you can measure, pour, and check like a pro.